Welcome to visit us. We were established in 2009. We always take the principle of all for worldwide safe and wonderful driving life. We work with our customers not only on products, but also more importantly on technology and services. We can provide you with the most professional service in new product development, OEM, ODM custom, delivery, quality, and customers' market protection, as well as business secret protection, in order for you to capture the market and outperform your competitors. We have confidence in solving your current supply issues, whether you are currently a big or a small customer in the country and market where you are selling. We supply car headlights, LED working light, bi-headlight projector lens, and matrix projector lens. There are more than 200 private molds since we have excellent R&D team, hardware and software engineers in factory. Any OEM ODM request that includes simple custom can be achieved. We produce and inspect our products according to ISO 9001 standards that our factory has passed. And we always resolute not to use recycled materials. About after sales, we always respond in the first time and reach agreement by customer's deadline. Learn more about us. Please contact us now or follow us in our live studio to view more and get updates. Looking forward to cooperating with you and create a bright future together.